Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to my series of IELTS Writing Task 1. The today's topic is about tea production, another man-made process. Okay, here's our topic, and here's our chart. Okay. Here, and this is my task, my assignment. Now I will read it. Okay. The process above depicts how numerous T-types are generated from the T-lips. Overall, there are four main consistent stages in the diagram, beginning with the planting T-lips on the plantation and concluding by drying the T-lips to preserve them longer. In addition to the main steps, there are some unique steps to make the special to each different type of T-lip. As said before, there are four pivotal phases, beginning with the planting and caring for the tea lips at the plantation. Once the grown tea lips reach a standard size and quality, the tea lips are harvested by agricultural laborers. At the following stage of the process, when the tea lips are collected enough, all the collected leaves are withered to remove moisture from them, facilitating future processing. Then, depending on the desired tea products, there will be different unique steps to create the characteristic of each type of tea. If the target product is white tea, dry the withered tea and it will produce results. Or if steaming and boiling and then drying the withered tea, they will have green tea. But instead of steaming, do a slight fermentation before you dry it. The result is oolong tea. Okay. If the target product is large leaf black tea, roll the withered tea, then do a full fermentation. Next, dry it and it will produce results. If you substitute rolling with crushing, the small leaves black tea is made. Ok, và đó là cái bài làm của mình ha. Rồi và mình được đánh giá ở bài này là bằng 6 chấm. Các bạn có thể tham khảo ở bài của mình ha. Rồi và ở trong cái topic này nè là mình sẽ có vài cái từ vựng cần lưu ý nè. Ok, mình sẽ đọc qua nha. Okay. First, to be typical of something, đặc trưng cho cái gì đó ha. Cultivate là trồng trọt. Wilt, héo. Wither, héo luôn. Yeah. Rồi plantation là có nghĩa các đồn điền á. Rồi maturity là độ trưởng thành. To be qualified là đạt yêu cầu. To be plucked có nghĩa là được hái ha. Rồi moisture content là đoạn. Okay. Process là xử lý. Undergo là trải qua. Steam là hấp ha. Rồi roll là vò chè dập. Ferment có nghĩa là lên men. Necessitates là đòi hỏi. Yep. Crush có nghĩa là nghiền. Yeah. Và ok. Và đây là bài mẫu của thầy mình. Sau khi làm bài xong, sau khi làm cái bài của về topic này xong ấy, thì mình có gửi qua thầy mình và thầy mình đã sửa lại một cái bài bằng 8 chấm và gửi qua cho mình. Ok, và bây giờ mình sẽ đọc. The diagram outlines the process of transforming tea leaves into 5 distinct tea types. The process begins with the cultivation of tea leaves on plantations and concludes with drying to ensure long-term preservation. While the core stages remain consistent, specific steps are implemented to create the unique characteristic of each tea variety. Yes. Initially, tea leaves are planted and nurtured on plantations. Once matured, They are harvested by agricultural workers. The harvested leaves then undergo a watering process whereby they are dried to remove excess moisture, preparing them for further processing. The subsequent steps vary depending on the desired tea type. White tea is produced by directly drying the withered leaves. Green tea, on the other hand, involves steaming and rolling the leaves before drying. Oolong tea, which exhibits characteristics between green and black tea, necessitates a short fermentation stage before drying, following the withering process. For black tea, there are two variations. Large leaf black tea is produced by rolling the withered leaves, subjecting them to a full fermentation process, and then drying. Small leaf black tea, however, involves crushing the withered leaves instead of rolling them before undergoing the same fermentations and drying stages. In conclusion, the diagram illustrates the diverse methods employed to create different types of tea from tea leaves. The initial stages are consistent, while the subsequent steps vary according to the desired tea characteristic. These steps range from direct drying for white tea to full fermentation for black tea, illustrating the nuanced process involved in tea production. Okay, thank you for listening. That's the end of this video. Goodbye.